Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your password in Shopify. Keeping our account secure is very important. Changing our password regularly is a simple way to protect our store. Let's go through it step by step. On our Shopify dashboard, we change the password by clicking My Store in the upper right corner. Click on it, then click Account. From there, click on our name. We will then be redirected to our settings. In our settings, we go to Security. Here, we can create a new password or reset our existing one. Click this and verify our account. Once we verify, we just enter our new password. And that's how we change our password in Shopify. Keeping our account secure helps protect our business and our customers' data.